With less than 24 hours before Hilary is expected to hit California as a tropical storm, here's the current impact for San Diego County based on the storm's projected trajectory. At 8:30 p.m. Saturday, the National Hurricane Center determined that Hilary is a Category 1 storm. Meteorologists say it will still likely move over Southern California and San Diego as a tropical storm early Sunday into Monday. The main impacts will occur Sunday as the system moves into the county and tracks north. San Diegans should expect stronger winds and heavy widespread rain as early as Sunday morning into the evening hours. This will likely taper off into the overnight hours. Winds will be strong as well. Farther north near Oceanside, residents might see gusts near 50 miles per hour. Southern coastal communities in San Diego County are forecasted to see gusts anywhere from 35 to 40 miles per hour. Mountain and desert areas are likely to see the fastest wind speeds, reaching upwards of 65 to 70 miles per hour Sunday into Monday. Valleys will also see quicker wind speeds, with gusts around 40 to 50 miles per hour. A beach hazard statement has been issued for San Diego County beaches as waves are anticipated to reach heights of up to 6 feet. The highest waves are likely to be seen north of Carlsbad. Deserts and mountains of Southern California and Southern Nevada are expected to be hit hardest by heavy rain as Hurricane Hilary weakens into a tropical storm. Hilary may be coming in a little faster than initially expected. Tropical storm force winds, sustained winds of at least 39 miles per hour, are now expected to hit San Diego County around late Sunday afternoon. Across Southern California, officials are particularly concerned about Sunday afternoon and evening. Hilary's track has shifted slightly eastward. The risk for coastal flooding in LA County has perhaps dropped, but flooding risks inland still remain significant, and especially dangerous in the deserts and mountains. Rain and flooding is the biggest risk from Hilary, with particular risk in the deserts and mountains. Already, roads have turned into rivers in Baja California, forecasters said, and the storm is expected to have similar impacts in some places here. Some rain rates 1 inch per hour, even up to 1.5 inches per hour. A couple of projections show up to 2 inches per hour, forecasters said. Rain rates of 1.5 inches per hour is torrential rain, which can result in catastrophic flooding over a desert, mountain or valley. Some desert areas in Southern California could see a year's worth of rain in as little as a 24-hour period. The rain won't be constant, but could involve several rounds of heavy rain.